Hi everybody, this is Frekhtman coming to you from California. I'm in my room at the Ritz-Carlton Marina Del Rey, and I was at the PSBR Trial College finishing up 3 days of learning. Thursday we did pain, how to prove pain and suffering. What is the difference between pain and suffering? Then we did cross-examination where we watched lawyers perform, and I actually did a cross-examination myself of an expert in a product liability fire burn case where a child and mother were badly burned. And then after that, on Friday, I did the victim's voice, how to tell the story, how to tell stories when people are seriously injured. And we listened to a lot of lectures and workshops, breakout groups. There was an excellent breakout group on negative space, how to talk about all the things that the defendant or the defense medical doctor do not know. Sometimes the defense medical doctor doesn't even examine the patient, and sometimes they examine them just for a few minutes, and yet they make an opinion that this person is not injured. So how to use all the things that that doctor does not know. For example, the victim's children and the things that the injured victim likes to do with his or her children. Like maybe the victim likes to barbecue, or the injured person likes to, play soccer with their kids, or go for walks, or enjoy time with his pet. The doctor will never know any of this. So it's very powerful, very good stuff. And they have actual chapters, actual categories with outlines and questions and how you can make the defense doctor look ridiculous. And when you're done with them, they actually sometimes change their opinion. So in the beginning, when the defense lawyer questions them, they say, you know what? This person is not injured. And then by the time that you are done with them, they actually flip their opinion and they say, I can't make that opinion anymore. The crash was the cause of this injury. So it's real powerful stuff, and they've gotten excellent results. There was a lawyer here who got a verdict for $36 million. That was actually an employment case. A lot of people are also doing employment cases. That's something we're gonna look into. And there was another lawyer who got a verdict for $40 million in serious, very catastrophic brain injury cases. A lot of verdicts for, there was one for 17 million, just very, very high verdicts, high results, high settlements, a lot of settlements for multi-million dollars. And they talk about voir dire, picking the jury, basically all aspects of it. And there are technology companies here too that deal with how to best sign up cases. You could actually have cases that you sign up, and then if you don't want the case, if it's like a surplus of cases, you could refer it to other lawyers. And then other lawyers, because they only take very catastrophic, like wrongful death cases, they may have cases, surplus cases in that same portal, and then they could refer it to you. So it's like a case exchange type service. So they have all this technology, all these different ideas. So I was really, really excited to come here. So this is the view. It's real beautiful here. I enjoyed it. The weather's great. I met a lot of people. I'm still doing sessions this morning. Actually, this morning, I'm going to do how to build a trial binder from the people with Trial by Human, who I work with a lot there. They're great. And they're going to show how to build a trial binder so you have everything organized in your trial binder. So when you go to trial, you open up your notebook and you have everything there that you need to win. So I hope this has been helpful. This is one of the things I love to do, is continuing legal education, getting better, getting stronger. We never stop growing. We never stop learning. And that's something that I really believe in. And I enjoy learning, I enjoy growing. And I know that that's why they call it the practice of law, because even somebody like me, who's been doing it, for about 22 years, I started in 1999, I can still learn more. There's actually one lawyer here that I met, he's like 78 years old, and he's still practicing. He says, I don't want to retire, I enjoy practicing. And he came to this lecture because he wants to learn, he wants to grow. Even though he's almost 80 years old, he's probably been practicing for more than 40 years. He has hundreds of trials under his belt. He knows pretty much everything, but he's still learning, he's still growing. We never stop growing, we never stop learning. Okay, everyone, let us know what questions you have. Like and subscribe to our channel. We are here for you. Our goal is helping serious injury victims and their families. And in fact, while I was here, I must have texted with like 5 or 10 different people who had questions, who wanted me to maybe step in and help them with their case, who wanted to know how much their case was worth, who just wanted a second opinion or just somebody to speak to because maybe they don't have a lawyer or their lawyer is not answering their questions. just making them speak to a paralegal. One of the things I really stress is communication. I want to be that resource. I want to make time for you, because it's not about having time, it's about making time. Just like it's important to never stop growing and keep learning and keep getting better, you have to make the time for what's important, for your priorities, like your family, your work, your passions. And one of my passions is helping serious injury victims, so I make the time. Sometimes, I'm in lectures all day, but I'll step out and I won't have lunch, and instead of lunch, I'll get on a call with somebody and I'll find out what happened to them, and I'll give them some advice, and then I'll say, look, let me review your file, let me get on the court's website, review all the documents, and then I'll call you back, and then maybe we'll set up a Zoom, or I'll come out to you, whatever, we'll do another call. And I want to give you more information, because I can't, give you everything just on my cell phone, because I have to review the file. But that's what I don't want you to think that it's a burden to reach out to me. Okay, everyone, have a great day. I have to go because I have a lecture starting right now. Okay, talk to you soon. Have a great day. And remember, we're here for you.